Okay, so hello guys. Excuse me. Ah, Today, forget about that. So I don't know what to say. Oh, look at that! It's moving. How do they? Yo, I saw something here. Forget about that. It's just a. What's this called? Look, it's just a tree. You see? Wow, look at that moving. Look at that one moving. So we saw something. Okay, Mom, say hello to my viewers. Mom, say hello to my viewers. Say hello to my viewers. Say hello to my viewers. So, let's see. We saw something. Look. Wow. As the hour, it's called a dead bird. The dead bird can make the dead bird are dead animals. They can make people sick. Oh, that okay. Leave that one alone. That is a wasp. Okay, let me show you. This is what the wasp. I saw the. Are you there? Are you there, buddy? Okay. Anyways, forget about that. Okay. Anyways, like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.